Next we will discuss question number 12. Here we have to solve. Here three sums are given. First we will take this one, minus 2 by 7 minus 2 by 7 within bracket these two, plus again minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Now we solve like this way. This one sum. Here these two are like fraction, this one also like fraction. That's why we can easily subtract this one also. Now here LCM will be 7 because both are 7. If like fraction, that means denominators are same, then just we have to add or subtract their numerator. Now minus 2, okay, plus here this one also denominators are same 3, that's why 3 minus 2. Now this one means minus 2 means minus 4 by 7 plus minus 4 by 3. Now this one minus 4 by 7 plus minus 4 by 3. Now these two are unlike fraction, that's why this one 7 3s are 21. Why we multiply 7 3s are 21? Because 7 and 3 there is no common factor other than 1. Therefore we have to multiply to find the LCM. 7 3s are 21. Now if we divide 21 by 7, then 3 will get 3 into minus 4 is equal to minus 12. 3 4s are 12. Again this one minus, if we divide by 21, then 7 will get 7 4s are 28. That means this one means how much? Minus 12 minus 28 means 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. 2 plus 1 3 4 minus 40 by 21. This one our answer. When we simplify this question number 12a, then our answer would be minus 40 by 21. Next we will take question number B. In question number B, here we have to solve 5 by 6 plus 2 by 7 into 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. First we have to simplify within bracket portion. That means this one 6 and 7 we have to find the LCM. Here 6 and 7 there is no common factor, that's why 6 and 7 we multiply. 6 7s are 42. Their LCM will be 42. Why? Because 6 and 7 there is no common factor other than 1. That's why to find LCM of 6 and 7 we have to multiply. 6 7s are 42. Now this 42 if we divide by 6, then 7 we will get 7 into 5 is equal to 35, plus if we divide 42 by 7, then 6 we will get 6 into 2 is equal to 12. Next again we solve this one portion. Now 3 and 4 same thing, there is no common factor other than 1, that's why 3 4s are 12. Here LCM will be 12. If we divide 12 by 3, then 4 will get 4 into 1 is equal to 4, minus 12 divided by 4 means 3. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Okay. Now we simplify again. 35 plus 12 means 5 plus 2 7, 3 plus 1 4, 42, 47 by 42 into this one 4 minus 3 means 1, and this one 12. Now when we multiply the fraction, then numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. That means 47 into 1 and 42 into 12. Now if we multiply 42 by 12, here 42 by 12. 12 2s are 24. 2 carry, 12 4s are 48. 48 plus 2 is equal to 50. That means 504. Therefore, if we multiply, this one will be 504 and this one 47 into 1 is equal to 47. Therefore, when we simplify this one, then we will get the answer 47 by 504. This one is the answer. Next question number 12C. In 12C, here 4 by 7 divided by 16 by 49 plus 5 by 6 into 36 by 25. First we have to simplify bracket portion because we have to follow the BODMAS rule. I hope all of you remember BODMAS means. Now this one 4 by 7. In place of division sign, if we put multiplication sign, then we have to write this one reciprocal of this. Means 16 by 49. Reciprocal of 16 by 49 will be 49 by 16 plus 5 by 6 into 36 by 25. Now here if we cancel 4 4s are 16. This one 7 7s are 49. And here 5 5s are 25. This one 6 6 are 36. That means from this bracket portion we will get 7 by 4 and from this bracket portion we will get 6 by 5. Now both are unlike fraction, that's why we have to find the LCM. LCM 4 and 5. There is no common factor. Therefore 4 5s are 20. Now if 20 divided by 4, then 5 will get 5 7s are 35. Plus if we divide 20 by 5, then 4 will get 4 6 are 24. Now 5 plus 4 9, 3 plus 2 59 by 20. That means our answer will be 59 by 20. When we solve this one sum, then after simplification we will get 59 by 20. That means our 3.2 exercise finish. 3.2 exercise means our rational number portion also finish. No? Now you have to do one homework. Here that is hot cookies given. These type of tables are given. Here half, here 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 like this up to 1 by 10. And this one vertically also 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 like this up to 1 by 10. Now here plus symbol is there. That means we have to add. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to, you have to write here. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, that one we have to write here. Okay, like this way you have to complete this one table. Similarly, here another table given, subtraction table. Here 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Like this way, here you have to write. Similarly, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 is equal to, you have to write here. This one also table you have to make. That means addition, subtraction. And another 2 more table is there. This one multiplication table. And this one 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Means what? 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4. Means 1 by 4. Like 1 by 2 into 1 by 3, 1 by 6. This way we have to multiply and write the answer in this box. And similarly, another table is there, division table. Here 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 means what? 1. That one answer you have to write here. Similarly, 1 by 2, 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 2, that one answer you have to write here. Okay, this way you have to complete these 4 tables. One is division, then division, multiplication and addition and subtraction. You have to do as a homework these 4 tables, then you will be clear. Okay, that's why please do this one, and in offline we collect this one and we will check. In your copy you can do. Okay, you can do this one in your copy as a homework. Thank you.